Hi fam, I'm here with another video, and this is an anti-aging mask made from chocolate and egg yolk. Can you beat that? I'll be using egg yolk for this mask, and I'll be using cocoa powder and some vitamin E oil. So we're going to get our egg yolk first, and then we'll be adding cocoa powder to our egg yolk. Now this is the point where if you have your chocolate, you don't have your cocoa powder, you can just melt a little amount of cocoa powder, your chocolate, in hot water, and you can also use that for this process. I'll be using 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder and the egg yolk, and I'll be adding 4 drops of vitamin E oil. Now this chocolate is very nourishing and it hydrates the skin. It helps to fight free radical damage. It also has great anti-aging properties. Cocoa powder helps to soften, clear and detoxify your skin. It also increases skin elasticity, which in turn helps to improve fine lines and wrinkles and reduce the appearance of scar. Now this mixture, it looks so rich. I was almost tempted to eat it, but no, I did not eat it because it had eggs, so ew, I didn't eat it. But this looks so rich. Check this out, it's so rich. I think you should try this DIY and let me know how your skin responded to it in the comment section below. If you find this video useful, also subscribe to my channel. So I'll just be applying this mixture on a clean face. I'm just showing you how rich this looks. So I'm going to be applying it on a clean face. Cocoa powder also helps to promote cell growth. And the cocoa powder is also good for cellulite, but I'm going to be making a totally different video as regards to that. This video is just for anti-aging and how to go about using cocoa powder to minimize aging on your face. So once we apply this powder, we're going to leave it for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Because it has egg in it too, egg is also good to tighten pores, and minimize pores means you look younger. So egg is also that. Now it's dried, we're just going to go ahead and wipe it off with a washcloth. My face feels tight right now, feels really tight, so we're just going to go ahead and get a damp cloth, or you can wash it under running water, but I just prefer to wash it with a washcloth. You need to be gentle on your face when you are washing it off. Be gentle on your face. So now that I've gotten the mask out of my face, I'll just go ahead and I'll go in with my moisturizer to moisturize my face after wiping off the mask. I'm feeling good right now, so I'm just going with my hydrating body moisturizer. This is a Cantu shea butter moisturizer, and I'll just apply it over my face. If you are new to my channel, this is Beauty Through Nature. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe to my channel. And if you think that this looks interesting and you want to try it out, please let me know in the comment section below how your face responded to this. And I'll see you in my next video. Kisses.